Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the match writing style feature in Google Docs. So let's get started. Now, let's say you have a piece of text that already looks perfect. It has the right font, size, color, spacing, everything. And instead of manually adjusting another section to match it, you can use match writing style to copy that exact format in just one click. All you have to do is highlight the text with the style you want to copy. Let's say, for example, this one. Then look for the paint roller icon in the toolbar. Right over here, it says paint format. So what you can do here is click this once. And as you can see, you'll notice that your cursor will change. Now, it means that it's ready to apply that style. Next, all you have to do is just highlight the text you want to change. For example, let me go ahead and change this. There we go. As you can see, instantly it'll take on the same formatting as this one. It's super fast and saves a lot of time, especially when you're working on longer document. And here's a pro tip. If you want to apply the same style to multiple sections, you can double click the paint roller. So let's do this again. Double click this. And when you do that, this keeps the tool active so you can keep applying the same format again and again without reselecting it. So you can see right over here. Simple, right? And you can also use a shortcut to make things even faster. Now, if you're on Windows, you can press Ctrl Alt C to copy formatting, then Ctrl Alt V for Victor to paste it. On Mac, it's Command Option plus C and Command Option plus V for Victor. This feature is perfect for keeping headings, paragraphs, and sections consistent without having to manually fix each one. And basically, that's it. That's how you use match writing style in Google Docs. Copy the format, apply it instantly, and keep your document looking clean and professional. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.